To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Now create a new status by tapping the Add Status button. Capture a new photo or video using your camera, or choose one from your gallery. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Add a Caption field. Then enter your caption. Once you are happy with your caption, tap the Send button to publish your status. Your status has been posted with the caption. To change the caption, open My Status. Then tap the status whose caption you want to edit. You will then see a pencil icon at the beginning of your caption. Tap it to edit your caption. Make the necessary changes to your caption. Then tap the Send button to save your changes. Your status caption will be updated with the changes you made. Another way to change the caption is to tap the three dots next to your status. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Caption. Make the necessary changes to your caption. Then tap the green checkmark to save your updates. Your status caption will be updated instantly, and the edited caption will appear with your existing status. And that's how you can edit a WhatsApp status caption after posting.